Let's learn how to delete Telegram account permanently. So you may don't want to have Telegram account anymore. And now you want to get rid of it. Or just want to make a new fresh account on same number, and now you want to delete old one. It might be even because of some private information, whatever is the reason. Don't worry, I will show you how can you do that. So without wasting your time anymore, let us begin. This works both on iOS and Android devices, so first let's open up your browser. In this video, I will show you tutorial on Google. Now on search tab, type Telegram account delete. When the results appear, just tap on the first one, my Telegram org. After that, Google will open new page for you, which is delete account or manage the apps. On this, your phone number box, type your number. Note that you must enter number in international format. That means your number have to start with plus, and then calling your country numbers, for example, +381, and then type your number. When you did that, tap on this blue next button that, under it. Now when you did that, you will get another box where it says confirmation code. You will get the code from SMS message, so you will have to copy it and paste in this box. When you done that, press sign in, and you should get in contact with Telegram. After it, your account will be deleted, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.